Oh, hi! Are your knees more accurate than the weather forecast? The rain has fallen yet, but your knees already ache so badly, and you can barely walk. The pain isn't random. It's a signal of a joint inflammation, warning that your cartilage need an urgent repair. Good to know we have Jens Joint Health Formula is like a rescue team. So they have the glucosamine. Glucosamine it helps repair joint damage and cartilage, and chondroitin it lacks in lubrication, and turmeric MSM are good for quickly fight inflammation and swelling as well. So in just a few months, you feel 10 years younger, di ba? Kasi most of the time, as we go growing older, our joints and knees are getting weaker. So they have we have smaller lubrication already in our joints. So when we're walking, kung tayong maglalakad, parang sumasakit na yung kasukasuhan natin kasi nga due to our aging, naghihina na yung lubrication. Meron kasi guys na fluid yung bones natin, lalo na sa paa natin, so when the time that we are growing older, nawawala yun. So, konti na lang. So, kaya kadalasan, yung mga tayong mag-going older na, yung mga lolo, mga nanay natin, speaking of nanay, binigay ko to sa kanya kanina. Kasi, sumasakit yung niya, yung kasukasuan niya. Hindi siya masyadong makalakad sa hagdan. Alam mo yun, kasi sobrang sakit. Para na din arthritis. Yeah, pwede na din sa arthritis. Any kind, basta masakit yung mo guys. Yung kasukasuan mo o joint. You can take this one as supplement, Kasi ito naman siya ay support. They have 5 support, in your joints. Para, yung purpose ni Jans is para moving out mo yung joints mo and cartilage mo. They have mobility. Meron siyang nagsusupport siya ng mobility. They have support comfort, and then strength, and then flexibility and lubrication. So good kudos sa Jans glucosamine kasi effective siya so far sa experience ko sa nanay ko. So good to know na good to know na effective sa kanya ito. Kasi maganda talaga itong product na to guys. So, you can buy this on my Yellow Basket, and this is an FDA approved. Okay? So, check my Yellow Basket. See you soon. Bye!